Hi guys, and welcome to Prosys OPC's YouTube channel. I'm Ivo, and this is the 6th video of our Mastering Forge video series. In this video, we will utilize the history module for our nodes. So I have set up InfluxDB to my computer. It's the same computer I'm running my Forge. A web UI can be accessed from here. And to get started, I need to start up the history module. I do it from here, from the dashboard. Then I navigate to the history module, in which I wanna first do the storage configurations. Here I need this information from the Influx, so I'm gonna open the InfluxDB web UI. I'm gonna navigate to About, and here I can copy the configuration settings to Forge. So I need the organization name and ID, and then I can either use an existing bucket or create a new one. Here I'm going to create a new one, let's say my bucket. The URL can be copied from here. For example, it's going to be localhost now because it's running locally. The API token, that could be the one that was created initially during the initialization of InfluxDB, or I can just create a new token. Let's say it's all access, name it Forge, and copy that one to here, and we are ready. We can save that. Next, we need to configure these collectors. So I'm gonna create the new collector, which I call my collector. These default settings are great for this demo. So I press add. And finally, I would need to do is to add these nodes to this history collector. So I could do it from here and selecting a node and just pressing add. But actually I'm going to show you a bit more advanced way to do that. So I'm gonna go to address space here. I'm gonna navigate to the nodes that I wanna add. I will select first one, and then I hold Shift and press other node. And now I selected two nodes, and then I can right click on them and just follow this path and press my collector. So both of the nodes were added to the collector. I can see it from here too. And then we can identify this and make sure that the logging is working from the influx. So I'm gonna navigate to my bucket and select these here, and I check for last 1 minute, and I can see that I received data. And the main benefit of doing the history configuration is that now I can access the historical data of a node straight from the node. So I'm gonna head to these parameters. I select the pressure steam, and then I can now straight to do the historical read. I select 1 minute and do this, so I can see that I received the historical data from that node. I also can receive the current data. So yeah, that's it for today's tutorial. In our next video, we are going to configure data loggers for Influx, SQL databases, and using CSV files. So stay tuned. Thanks for checking out Forge with us. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content. We would love to hear your feedback, so drop us a comment below or reach out using the info in the description box. Until next time.